All right, what's up? I'm super excited for today's video. We're going to take a look at ILV. Okay, this is Illuvium crypto gaming token. All right, and some of the gaming tokens have been seeing a nice rotation. So if that continues, we may see Illuvium ILV perform pretty well. It also has this very nice chart pattern. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and break down that chart pattern real quick, just so you guys know I'm not BSing, or maybe you're not familiar with this pattern. Okay, it's known as a falling wedge, descending wedge, whatever you want to call it. All right, and you have your stop loss here at the lows, okay, at the lows of the channel. You have your entry on the breakout here, right? And your target is going to be up towards the top of this channel, all right? The beginning of your downtrend line, all right? So that's your entry, your target. A lot of times, if you miss the initial leg up, right? So there's a possibility that we're about to have that leg up, all right? If for some reason you miss it, okay, a lot of times there is a retest where you can come back down at this level and possibly look for another re-entry, okay? So this is just one way that traders help set themselves up with some profitable plays and start to become successful, all right? So we'll go ahead and take a look at it full screen here, all right? And we can see, all right, that the pattern is setting up pretty nicely, okay? We're currently right at our entry level right here, which was the initial breakout candle right there, all right? And we have a target of 306 on this one, all right? So really, really big move and very nice risk to reward ratio, okay? So what you're doing is you're risking 150, let's just call it 150% to the upside, okay? And downside, you're risking about 25%, okay? So just trying to show you guys some trade setups and possible patterns. Okay, there's no 100% guarantee this is going to fill or play out, and it's not financial advice. So don't come crying to me if you get stopped out on a 20% stop loss and you were trying to make 150% on the move. All right, that's a very good risk to reward ratio, well defined. Okay. All right. So, that's mainly the main thing that I want to highlight. Okay. The entry level is right here, right around 119, which is currently where we're at the time of this recording. Okay. Our stop loss is going to be right over here at 88.4. And again, that target is up there at 306.6. Okay. So very nice risk to reward ratio there. All right. And ILV has done pretty decent at respecting some of the chart patterns. Okay. On my last video, a lot of people weren't prepared for this crypto market crash, right? And I remember posting videos like a year ago, almost a year ago now, saying that, hey, a lot of charts are having these bear setups, right? We have a possible head and shoulders here. And look, that head and shoulders played out. And we thought that that was a big crash, right? It crashed all the way down to 600. Okay, after being up, nearly at 2,000. Okay, and now today we're looking at it and it's trading at 119. Okay, so here's our falling wedge pattern again that we were just looking at. All right, we have our entry, we have our target, and we have our stop loss. All right, another thing that could help drive and be a part of the reason that we saw such a nice move. Okay, if you look, this move right here was very, very juicy. Okay, that was a 78% run up. Okay, so really, really nice move, and you could have caught that. There was a nice indicator called bullish divergence, which I cover this extensively in a lot of my videos. But what it is when there's a divergence between the RSI, which is your relative strength index, and the price action of whatever cryptocurrency you're looking at. All right, so what we're doing is making a low here of 132, creating a lower low here right around 88. But on our relative strength index, we have a low of 20 and then a low of 2350. All right. So we're actually increasing and going up on the relative strength, even though the price of this crypto has gone down. All right. So, that's the main thing that I'm looking at right now. And, if you saw there, it did go on that 70% rally. And that was about 3 days or 4 trading days after it hit those lows. And you can see we had the initial pop, all right, off of that bullish divergence, ran up very, very nicely. Okay. So, we could pull back, but we have this as a very nice bullish support trend line in case we do pull back to look for another possible re-entry, right? So, you could play the entry off of here, that target, or if you just want to do like a 1 day swing trade or day trade, you can wait for us to come back down towards this bullish divergence and have, again, a very nice risk to reward ratio, right? If we hold on the trend line, and find support and continue upwards, you can stay in the play until you hit your profit goals, right? But if we break that trend line, you'll know very quickly if you're entering on that trend line and you see it start to trade below there and head below there, you can exit your position, cutting losses quickly. All right. So appreciate you guys watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And if you want to see your video, your crypto, your token in the next video, make sure to comment below. Okay. Because I do viewer requests every single week. So, I'll be happy to do that for you as soon as I see the comment and can get to it. All right. Appreciate you watching, and I'm out.